Hello students, today we are going to learn English class 7th. Now here see, this is the English textbook, English Balbharti standard 7th. Now see, in your textbook see the index. Index consists of 4 units, and in that see this unit 1, 2, 3 and 4 units are there. Okay, now today we are going to study unit 1. Unit 1, 1.1 Past, Present, Future. Okay, and this is the poem. This poem is written by Emily Bronte. This Emily Bronte and her sisters were well-known authors who lived in the 19th century. Emily Bronte uses nature to talk about her thoughts, feelings and ideas in many of her poems. Now, this poem about time is presented in the form of dialogue between the poet and the happy child. For the child in the poem, the past was a pleasant time, but sadly we cannot go back to it. The present is a time when you prepare for the future and which is unknown but exciting. So this is about the poem. So students, let's start the poem. Past, present, future. Now see, past means what? Past means time that has passed. Present means time that is right now. And future means time that will come. Okay, now first stanza. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that chime mournfully. Now see here, thee, T-H-E-E. Thee means it is a old English word. Thee means you, Y-O-U. Mild means not very severe. Moderate means we can say. Okay. Mournfully means sadly. And here one word has come, sigh. Sigh means what? Getting relief. Okay, now see here, poet is asking the child, happy child, who is smiling. That child is always smiling. So poet is asking what the past is like to the child, and child replies that the past is like an autumn evening. Autumn means it is a season that comes before winter. Okay, so past is like an autumn evening which is soft and mild, with a wind that sigh sadly. Mournfully means sadly. Okay, now students, let's move to the next stanza. Tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its spar to mount and fly away. Now, spray. Spray means a stem, or we can say a small branch of a tree or a plant, means bearing flowers. Spray. And to mount, M-O-U-N-T. To mount means to get up. Now here, the poet then asks the child about child's opinion about present. Okay, second stanza depends on the present. The child replies that the present is like a green branch of a flower. Green branch of a flower on which a young bird sits, gathering strength to get up and fly. Now last stanza. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. Now here mighty means having a great power, or we can say very powerful. Dazzling means extremely bright. Infinity having no end or no limit. Now here poet asks the happy child about the future. Last stanza is about the future. Then to this the child replies that the future is like a sea that is beneath the sun. Beneath means under the sun, and in a cloudless sky. The sea is very powerful. Here one word has come mighty. Mighty means powerful. Sea is very powerful and glorious, and dazzling means shining very brightly, and also it stretches on without an end. Okay, means infinity. So hope students you understood this poem.